Hello, myself Professor Dr. S.D. Chavan, Professor in Physics, DBF Dayanand College of Art and Science, Solapur, Maharashtra. I am presenting the paper published in International Journal of Science and Research IJSR, Volume 3, issued 11 November 2040, entitled The Ferroelectric Relaxation Behavior of Lead-Free BCZT Ceramic. The abstract of this presentation is that the paper reports the synthesis of Ba1-X CaX ZrY Ti1-YO3, that is BCZT compositions by solid-state reaction route with X 0.05, 0.075 and Y 0.075, 0.10. The temperature-dependent dielectric properties indicate a diffuse phase transition characteristics. A broad dielectric maxima with shifts to higher temperature with increasing frequency signifies the relaxer behavior of these compositions, and maximum dielectric constant, that is epsilon max, was found at the Curie temperature Tc. The values of relaxation parameters gamma ranges from 2.09 to 1.66 for frequencies 100 Hz to 1 MHz estimated from the linear fit of the modified Curie-Weiss law that indicate the relaxer nature of BCZT composition. The dielectric relaxation rate follow the Vogel-Fulcher relations to support the relaxer nature. The slim PE hysteresis loop with non-zero remnant polarization indicates the relaxer nature of BCZT composition. Now the introduction of my paper, that the ferroelectric material was with a perovskite structure are useful for microelectronic devices. The lead-based ceramics are facing global restriction due to their toxicity. The most widely used ferroelectric material is BaTiO3, that is Bt, which belongs to the family of AbO3 perovskite structure. However, the structure of unit cell is temperature dependent. The substitution of Sr, Pb, Ca and Zr into Bt shows interesting ferroelectric properties. Tiwari et al. Reported that the calcium doping increases the phase transition temperature of BCT ceramics, and Ba2 plus substitution by Ca2 plus leads to diffuser transition curve. It has been reported that Ca doping also increases the Curie temperature depending on the powder preparation method and the site occupied by calcium. Ca doped by BaTiO3 has been used as a ceramic capacitor. The another important ferroelectric material is BaZrXTi1-XO3, that is BZT, which is also a ferroelectric materials with high value of dielectric constant. Louis et al. Reported that the composition 0.5 BZT, 0.5 BCT lies close to the tricritical point of rhombohedral, tetragonal and cubic phases. They had investigated the composition piezoelectric constant relationship, and they found that the composition showed a large piezoelectric constant. They also showed that the composition was very close to a morphotropic phase boundary. Now, the relaxer behavior has been found in many lead-free materials. Now, in my work, we reported a typical relaxer behavior of a new composition having a general formula, that is Ba1-X Ca, that is Ca is doped at Ba side, ZrY Ti1-Y, that is Zr is doped at Ti side, O3, that is BCZT, where the X are 0.05 and 0.075 and Y is 0.075 and zero point 0.1. The BCZT solid solution have been synthesized using a ceramic route of synthesis. The precursors which are used for the synthesis are BaCO3, SrCO3, ZrO2 and TiO2 are of AR grade. The stoichiometric amount of the precursors were well mixed together and grinded for 2 hours in agate mortar with Festool. The calcination was carried out at 1150 degrees centigrade. The calcinated powder was mixed with PVA binder solution and compacted into disc-shaped samples with a diameter of 1 centimeter and a thickness of 1 millimeter. The final sintering process was carried out at 1200 degrees centigrade for 24 hours in 2 steps. The Bruker D8 Advanced X-ray diffractometer was used for the determination of XRD pattern. HP4284A LCRQ meter was used for the measurement of dielectric constant tan delta. The PE hysteresis loop was determined using PE loop tracer Marine India, Bombay. Now the result and discussion of my presentation, starting with structural analysis. Now in my work, I have used the CA values which are 0.05, 0.075, whereas the ZR values are 0.075, 0.10. So when CA is 0.05, ZR is 0.10, this is BCZT1 composition. When CA is 0.05, ZR is 0.075, the composition is BCZT2. When CA is 0.075, ZR is 0.075, the composition is BCZT3. This is the graph, that is XRD graph for all compositions. And from this graph, we observe that the compositions under investigations are polycrystalline in nature. By using the XRD pattern, the lattice parameter A and C corresponding to the tetragonal crystal structure are also determined. The parameter A, C, C by A for BCZT1, BCZT2 and BCZT3 compositions are shown in the table. The crystalline size is also calculated by using the Scherrer's formula, and it is also shown in this table. Now, if we observe the table, we found that the crystalline size, which is very small, being of the order of 38.03 nanometer, 33.49 nanometer, 42.13 nanometer. According to the calculation of AAC, the C by A, it was about 1.11, 1.01, 1.05. This observation is same as reported. Now this is the table that shows the magnitude of dielectric constant at room temperature, loss tan delta at room temperature, dielectric constant at maximum, loss tan delta at critical temperature for various frequencies for BCZT1 composition. When we observe the table, as the frequency increases from 100 Hz to 1 MHz, the critical temperature Tc is also increases from 101.38 to 116.50 degrees centigrade. Also, if we observe the variation of a frequency with the dielectric constant at room temperature as well as the dielectric constant at the maximum, then also we observe that as the frequency increases, the dielectric constant goes to be decreases from 644.14 to 405.92 at room temperature and 767.75 to 453.33 at maximum. If we observe the values of tan delta at room temperature and at critical temperature, The values are very small, being of the order of 0.04, 0.03, 0.02 like this. That indicate that this composition have a very small losses. The another parameter it was calculated in my work is the diffusibility gamma. According to the theory, when the gamma equal to 1, a normal Curie-Weiss law is obtained, and when gamma equal to 2, it describes a complete diffuse phase transition characteristics. In my observation for BCZT1 composition, the values of the gamma it ranges between 1.66 to 2.09. That indicate that the BCZT composition possesses diffuse phase transition characteristics and is of relaxer material. The same type of observation is to be found for BCZT2, BCZT3 composition. So, like BCZT1, BCZT2, BCZT3 compositions possesses diffuse phase transition characteristics and are of relaxer material. Another important property that show the material as a relaxer ferroelectric is a ferroelectric property. Now, this is the graph between the polarization with electrical field for BCZT1, BCZT2 and BCZT3 composition. Now if we observe the graph, from this graph for BCZT1 and BCZT2, the PE hysteresis loops are very slim, which are the characteristics of relaxer ferroelectric. And for BCZT3, the loop shows a remarkable polarization. So the BCZT1, BCZT2 and also the BCZT3, they are a relaxer ferroelectric. Now the conclusion of my paper. Now the ferroelectric materials BCZT are synthesized using ceramic route of synthesis. The room temperature XRD suggested that the composition are polycrystalline in nature. The behavior of relaxer ferroelectric, that is BCZT composition, is studied in the temperature range from 30 degree to 150 degree centigrade in the frequency range from 100 Hz to 1 MHz. All composition shows a diffuse phase transition. The value of relaxation parameter gamma ranges from 2.09 to 1.66 indicate the relaxer nature of BCZT composition. The variation of preview temperature Tc with frequency Vogel-Fulcher relationship, and that suggested the relaxer nature of BCZT ceramics. The investigation on hysteresis loop with non-zero remnant polarization and slim hysteresis loop of all BCZT composition are of relaxer ferroelectric. Now at the ends, I thanks all the listeners patiently, and I think you use this data for your research. Thank you once again.